Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to explain you the difference between plus equal to and equal to plus operator in Java. Okay, so here I am creating one class, creating one package first. So I am giving the name as package, my package. Okay, and inside my package I am creating one class, giving the class name as addition addition assignment demo. Okay, so here I am creating public static void main, writing the public static void main string args. Okay, and here inside that main method I am defining one variable int, suppose x equal to 10. Okay, and I am writing x plus equal to suppose 3. Okay, x plus equal to suppose changing it to 4. Then I am printing the values of x. Okay, so if you execute it, here you can see the values of x equal to 14. So that means x plus 4 equal to, that means you can write like this way, x equal to x plus 4. Okay, and now if you change it to equal to plus, so you might think about that plus equal to, this is like postfix and prefix operations. Okay, so x plus plus x or x plus plus, so that you can use. So if you execute it, you will get the result as 4. So basically in Java, plus equal to means addition assignment operator, that is one arithmetic operator, but equal to plus, this is no such operator in Java. Okay, so it basically what it is doing, x equal to plus 4, so that means the values of plus 4 it assigning to x. Okay, and while we are printing x value, so it's the sign of the values, it's omitting only the value it will printing, so it's print to the plus. So if you like this way, if you use that minus equal to 4, so that means x equal to x minus 4, that means you will get the result 6. Okay, and if you change it x equal to minus 4, and if you execute run it, so you will get minus 4. That means the minus 4 value is assigning to x and you are printing the values of x. So as there is a minus value, so it will not omit the sign, so it will give the result with the sign and values, that is minus 4. Okay, so like this way it is performed. Basically x minus equal to minus, there is no operator in Java. Okay, so minus equal to means that is the subtraction assignment operator, that is one arithmetic operators. Okay, that is belongs in Java, but equal to minus, no such operator in Java. Okay, and the same thing if you do for suppose x equal to 10. Okay, and if you plus x equal to plus x. Okay, so now if you execute it, you will get 11, but if you do x equal to plus x, then also you will get 10 because first it assigned. So here the concept is prefix and postfix. So in this case, so it's first assigning the values of x means 10 to this x, okay, and then it's incrementing this x value to 1, so it's 11, okay. So that's why you are getting the x value is 10. And if you use like this plus x, so that means first it increment the values of x, then it assign to x. So that means if you execute it, you will get 11. So first x value is 10, so it's first incrementing the values by 1, so it's 11, then it's assigned to x and you are printing the x values, so that is 11. Okay. Similarly for minus minus also, if you use this minus minus and then run it, you will get 9. So first it decrementing the values of x by 1, so 10 minus 1, that means 9, and then it's assigning the values to x. And if you do the postfix minus minus here, then you will get 10. Okay, first it assigning the values to x and then it's decrementing the values, okay. So the x value is 10. So like this way, here it is act like prefix and postfix notation, but plus equal to and equal to plus, there is no such means prefix and postfix conflicts. Basically in Java, equal to plus and equal to minus, there is no such operators, okay. So it's clear. So thanks for watching these videos, and if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, so that once I upload the next video, you will get the notification. And also you can share this video with your friends, okay. And in description box you can see my channel link is there, so you can go there and you can watch the relevant Java related videos. So in my channel I am basically uploading the code Java, advanced Java, and web application related videos. So if you interested any topics related to this, you can go to that my channel and you can watch those videos. Thanks for watching.